Hair butter is important in our hair growth process. But how do you get the right butter for your hair? In this video, I will show you how I combined all the best ingredients to get the best hair butter for your hair growth. All the ingredients I am using have their benefit on the hair and thereby stimulating hair growth. Using the double boiler method, I put my shea butter in a bowl and then place it in the water, the boiling water. Here I am adding extra virgin olive oil, and the oils that I use, they have their benefit on the hair too. This is Duck's Hair Food. Duck's Hair Food has some rosemary and cannabis seed oil. And rosemary has antioxidant and antifungal properties that helps soothe the scalp from irritation and suppresses hair loss, thereby boosting hair growth. And cannabis also help moisturizes the scalp, prevent water loss, and also reduces breakages. So I bring them all together, and then when it melts like this, I just bring it out from the heat. Okay, and then when I bring it out from the heat, there is the time I'm going to add all these oils as shown on the screen. My vitamin E. Vitamin E prevents hair loss, promotes hair growth, enhances hair shine. So I cut it with the scissors and then I put them in the oil. And this is my rosemary essential oil, like 2 drops is okay. And this is castor oil, jojoba and argan oil. They are all hair oils for growth. And if you have any other oils, you can add it to your butter. So here it has hardened a little bit. I use my hand mixer to whip the butter. So shea butter is also good because it has easy absorption property to the hair. It also moisturizes and strengthens damaged hair, prevents dryness and itching of the scalp, and protects hair from UV rays and adds shine. So that was my base for the butter, shea butter. I love it so much when it is in the hair butter. Okay, yeah. So after whipping, that's my consistency that I have. So I'm going to pour it into my container for storage. And this is the result. See the shine on my hand. That's the same way it's going to absorb into your hair. Yes, and I love this hair product so much. So you can add it to your routine as a hair butter, and it is going to help you, and you are going to see the results. Okay, yes. So after applying it to my girl's hair, it's looking shining and so beautiful. Thank you for watching to this end, and we will see you in our next video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.